If you're looking to upgrade your space without doing a full renovation, you'll want to see this. These 37 luxury home gadgets are simple upgrades that instantly make your home feel more modern and refined. And don't miss number 12, that one completely changed the vibe of my space. Create a peaceful atmosphere with the Kelowna 3-bowl tabletop fountain. Featuring soothing flowing water and a soft LED glow, it brings calming Zen vibes to your home or office. Perfect for meditation, relaxation, or stylish indoor decor, this compact fountain adds serenity to any space. Upgrade your space with this 79-inch convertible sleeper sofa bed. Designed with soft corduroy fabric and a fixed-shape frame, it easily folds from a stylish couch into a comfortable mattress. Complete with a matching cylindrical pillow, it's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or studio spaces in a fresh green finish. Transform your space with the Govee RGBIC Smart Table Lamp 2. Featuring vibrant RGBIC technology and 64 dynamic scene modes, it creates stunning, customizable lighting for any mood. Control it effortlessly with Touch, SmartThings, Matter, or Alexa for seamless smart home integration. Perfect for bedrooms or living rooms, this compact corded lamp delivers colorful ambience and soft night lighting in one sleek design. Bring the universe into your room with the Planetarium Projector Pro. Featuring 13 stunning galaxy and star effects, it transforms your ceiling into a mesmerizing Milky Way display. Perfect for bedrooms, it creates relaxing mood lighting for both adults and kids. With built-in timer settings and vibrant LED projection, this space-inspired lamp turns any night into a magical, star-filled experience. Soothe and refresh tired eyes with this cooling gel eye mask. Designed to help reduce puffiness and provide comforting cold therapy, it's perfect for relaxing after long days or unwinding before sleep. The gentle weighted design offers a calming feel, while the reusable gel pack makes it convenient and easy to use anytime. Maximize your closet space with the Zedidier rotatable tank top hanger. Designed to hold up to 24 sport bras or tank tops, this durable metal organizer keeps everything neat and easy to access. Its 360-degree rotating design saves space, while adding a sleek silver touch to your closet storage. Keep your toothbrush fresh and protected with the I Have Toothbrush Sanitizer Holder. Featuring UVC light and 100 million negative ions, it delivers 360-degree automatic disinfection while helping reduce mold and odors. With wave sensor activation, LED display, and heated fan drying, this USB wall-mounted holder keeps your bathroom cleaner and more hygienic every day. Breathe cleaner, fresher air with this powerful air purifier designed for large rooms up to 3,620 square feet. Featuring an H13 True HEPA filter, it effectively captures pet hair, dander, pollen, and odors for a healthier home environment. With 360-degree air intake, smart Wi-Fi control, and auto mode, it adjusts effortlessly to your space. Ultra quiet at just 22 dB and equipped with a pet lock, it's perfect for peaceful, worry-free living. Organize your workspace with this sleek 48-inch white desk featuring 4 spacious drawers for all your essentials. Perfect for small spaces, it doubles as a home office desk and bedroom workstation. With built-in storage and a file cabinet design, it keeps your papers, stationery, and gadgets neatly arranged while adding a clean, modern touch to any room. Upgrade your comfort with the Trault ergonomic office chair. Designed with adjustable lumbar support and breathable mesh, it keeps you cool and properly aligned throughout the day. The flip-up armrests provide flexibility and save space, making it perfect for home offices or gaming setups. A comfortable, supportive chair built for productivity and long hours of use. Maximize your corner space with the Fernulum 6-tier corner shelf. Standing 67.5 inches tall with built-in LED lighting, this sleek white metal and wood design adds stylish storage and display to any living room or bedroom. Upgrade your space with this smart LED table lamp. Featuring a 4-in-1 design with wireless charging, night light, alarm clock, and Bluetooth speaker. It's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or home decor, all controllable via app. Upgrade your workspace with the KDD Desk Pad Mat Set, a smart 6-in-1 solution for modern home offices. This large mouse mat comes with magnetic desktop accessories you can customize your way. Use it as a phone or tablet stand, cup holder, pen and card holder, and cable organizer. The smooth surface improves mouse control while protecting your desk from scratches and spills. Stylish, functional, and flexible, it keeps your workspace organized and productive. Boost comfort and productivity with this adjustable laptop stand for desk. Featuring a 360-degree rotating base, it's perfect for collaborative work and easy screen sharing. The ergonomic riser helps improve posture, while the foldable, portable design makes it ideal for home, office, or travel. Compatible with all 10 to 16-inch laptops, it's stable, versatile, and built for everyday use. Keep your curtains stylishly in place with the high-end magnetic curtain tiebacks. This two-piece set features strong magnets that hold your curtains neatly without damaging fabric. Easy to install and versatile, they work on windows at home, bedrooms, offices, or even outdoor spaces. Sleek black design adds a modern decorative touch while providing practical, hassle-free curtain management. Work, study, or relax anywhere with this large laptop bed tray table. Featuring adjustable height and angle settings, it provides comfortable support on your bed, sofa, couch, or even the floor. The foldable legs make it easy to store and carry, while the spacious surface fits laptops, books, and more, portable, practical, and perfect for everyday use. Upgrade your bathroom with the Kohler CB CLR 1620 FS frameless medicine cabinet. Featuring a sleek rectangular design with beveled edges, it blends modern style with smart storage. The single mirrored door opens to adjustable shelves, keeping essentials organized and within reach. Compact at 16 by 20 inches, it's a space-saving solution that adds both elegance and function to any bathroom. Upgrade your comfort with the Kitsterac TV tray table, designed for convenience in small spaces. Featuring adjustable height, a flip-top design, and rounded metal corners for added safety, this C-shaped side table slides easily under sofas and beds. Perfect for eating dinner, enjoying snacks, or working on your laptop, it's a versatile solution for your living room, bedroom, or cozy corner. Keep your drink hot with this coffee mug warmer, designed for the fastest heating and highest temperature to maintain your coffee or tea just the way you like it. It features 4 temperature settings and a 1 to 12-hour timer with auto shutoff for safety. Perfect for your desk or home, this smart electric beverage warmer ensures every sip stays warm and enjoyable throughout your day. Multifunction night light. Meet the THIRDRELITY multifunction night light, a smart 3-in-1 device designed to upgrade your home. This compact gadget works as a motion sensor, an illumination sensor, and a customizable RGB night light, giving you convenience and security in one place. It doubles as a Zigbee repeater, helping extend the range and stability of your smart home network. You can adjust the brightness anywhere from 1% to 100% to match your mood or space. Perfect for hallways, bedrooms, and entryways, it automatically reacts to movement and lighting conditions for hands-free comfort. Requires a Zigbee hub to operate. Stay cool and comfortable with the Drio Nomad 1-tower fan, delivering powerful 25 feet per second airflow with ultra-quiet performance. It's perfect for bedrooms and indoor spaces. Featuring 90 degrees oscillation, 4 speeds, 4 smart modes, and an 8-hour timer, this sleek bladeless standing fan provides smooth, refreshing air while saving space and energy. Stay cool anywhere with this 7.5-inch turbo desk fan, designed for powerful airflow and quiet comfort. Featuring a 100-speed digital display, you can fine-tune airflow exactly how you like it. Perfect for bedrooms, home offices, or travel. The low-noise motor keeps your space peaceful, while the 105 degrees adjustable tilt directs air precisely where needed. With a rechargeable battery and wall-mounted or tabletop design, this compact fan delivers flexible cooling anytime, anywhere. Smart coffee table. Upgrade your home with the Cosé Rustic Farmhouse Cottagecore coffee table. Herb featuring a natural tray top and handcrafted finish, this versatile sofa table is perfect for family, dining, or living rooms, even in small spaces. Add a touch of modern rustic charm today. Work or relax comfortably with the FoldWise 2-in-1 lap bed desk. Designed with soft cushions, adjustable height, and tilt angles, it provides the perfect setup for laptops or tablets. Featuring a wrist rest, iPad holder, stopper, and non-slip leather surface, it keeps everything secure. Foldable and versatile, it's ideal for adults and kids, perfect for bed, couch, or travel. Sleep comfortably anywhere with the Intex 64417ED 22-inch Queen Durabeam Comfort Plush Air Mattress. Designed with a high-rise profile and built-in pump, it inflates quickly and provides plush support for a restful night. Perfect for travel, camping, or guest use, it holds up to 600 pounds and delivers durable, stable comfort wherever you go. Sit back and relax with this 18-inch reading pillow designed for ultimate comfort. Filled with supportive shredded foam, it contours to your back for cozy, upright support in bed, on the couch, or even on the floor. The built-in arms provide extra stability for adults and teens, perfect for reading, watching TV, studying, or simply unwinding in comfort. Experience personalized comfort with the Yojoker 4-piece orthopedic bed wedge pillow set. Designed to support your body, back, and legs, this adjustable foam system helps improve sleep posture and comfort. Ideal for recovery, relaxing, or elevating your upper body, it provides stable, ergonomic support. The versatile triangle design allows multiple positions for restful, customized comfort every night. Keep your beauty space neat and stylish with this large makeup organizer featuring spacious drawers and a convenient top compartment. Perfect for skincare bottles, cosmetics, and daily essentials, it keeps everything visible and within reach. The sturdy design and built-in handle make it easy to move from your vanity to the bathroom countertop. A sleek, space-saving solution to organize your dresser beautifully and effortlessly. Upgrade your organization with this large-size, thick, and durable makeup organizer designed for everyday convenience. Featuring spacious drawers and a roomy top compartment, it neatly stores skincare bottles, cosmetics, and daily essentials while keeping everything easy to access. Perfect for your vanity, dresser, desk, or even kitchen countertop, this sleek display case adds style while reducing clutter in any space. Electric Spin Scrubber. Efficient cleaning home assistant. Do you often bend over or kneel on the floor to do housework? Don't be afraid. From now on, you can efficiently finish your housework in a relaxed posture with the Dovety electric cleaning brush. Dovety 2024 new upgraded pink electric spin scrubber is here to help you solve all the problems. Say goodbye to the traditional tedious cleaning. Take care of your family and let them less tired from cleaning. Dual speed for efficient cleaning. The pink shower brush set has 2 cleaning speeds. Low speed 300 RPM, high speed 500 RPM. The default speed is high when the brush is started, and long press for 2 seconds to easily switch to high speed. Allows you to choose the cleaning method that works for you, to meet your different cleaning needs and cope with different levels of stains, saving you valuable time. Enjoy convenience right from your couch with the Couch Console original tray. This sleek sofa caddy securely fits over your armrest, holding drinks, snacks, your phone, and TV remotes all in one place. Designed with multiple compartments and a built-in phone stand, it keeps everything within easy reach. Perfect for living rooms, RVs, or even cars, its durable black design blends seamlessly with any space, making relaxation cleaner, easier, and more comfortable. Lint Remover. Restore your fabrics with the Electrolux rechargeable fabric shaver, designed to eliminate fuzz, lint, and pilling from clothes and furniture. With 3 adjustable speeds and a sharp, efficient shaving system, It delivers quick, gentle refreshes to your garments. The LED display shows power and speed levels, while the Type-C fast charging port keeps it ready anytime. Stylish in blue, it's a powerful tool for keeping fabrics looking new. Steam Compact Iron. Anti-drip SmartStream technology. Engineered to prevent dripping by maintaining water at the proper temperature needed to generate steam. Volts, 120V. Wattage, 1200W. Requires AC power. Easy fill translucent water tank. 3-way auto shutoff. Get peace of mind with motion-sensitive technology that automatically shuts off the iron if left inactive on its heel, side, or sole plate. To clean iron, wipe sole plate and outer surfaces with a soft cloth dampened with water. TrueGlide Non-Stick Sole Plate. The enhanced sole plate is designed to glide smoothly across all fabric types for ease of use. Recommended for fabrics such as cotton wool blend polyester, rayon nylon synthetic. Spray Mist. This push-button mister helps moisten fabrics to tackle and smooth away deep wrinkles. Ergonomic Comfort Grip Handle. Comfort grip handle ergonomically shaped to fit hand contours for comfort, while 360 degrees pivoting cord allows for easy maneuverability. Upgrade your space with this 16-inch RGB ceiling fan with lights, designed for modern comfort and style. This low-profile, flush-mount bladeless chandelier delivers powerful airflow with whisper-quiet performance, perfect for bedrooms and living spaces. Customize your vibe with RGB lighting, adjustable brightness, and color modes, all controlled by remote or smart app. The energy-efficient LED fan light combines elegance and function in a sleek gold finish, giving you smart control, smooth airflow, and stunning ambience in one compact design. Storage Ottoman. Add style, comfort, and smart storage to any room with the Udinova 30-inch folding ottoman. This multifunctional piece works as a footrest, extra seat, or storage bench, holding up to 350 pounds with strong, reliable support. Wrapped in soft gray linen fabric, it blends beautifully with modern or classic decor. The spacious interior is perfect for storing blankets, books, toys, or accessories, helping keep your space neat and organized. Best of all, it folds flat for easy storage when not in use, making it an ideal addition to living rooms, bedrooms, apartments, and small spaces. Reach dust anywhere with the deluxe microfiber feather duster, featuring an extra-long 100-inch extendable pole. The bendable head easily cleans ceiling fans, high ceilings, blinds, furniture, and even cars. Its soft microfiber traps dust without scratching, making cleaning faster, safer, and more effective throughout your home.